Right, so I was going to test this figure of 8 lead, what I call figure of 8 lead. Call it a figure of 8 because it looks like a figure of 8. Basically this is just 2 wires, neutral and live. It does have the earth pin on there because obviously the earth pin is usually bigger and that unlocks the socket for the live and neutral to enter. But there is only 2 wires in it, so try the live side first. We're going to put it on continuity. I'll just test it. There you go. So if the wire is continuous and not broken, it should beep. So there you go, it's got low resistance and it's beeping. So I'll try the neutral. So there you go, low resistance and it's beeping. So I know that's good. You don't have to test it live. It's too dangerous, you don't want to be messing about. And you've already tested the fuse anyway because you test from there all the way down, but if you wanted to test the fuse you just pop it out. Check it for the same. Low resistance and continuity. So there you go, that's good. If you try and do it live, you could end up hurting yourself or touching the wires together, so I don't recommend doing live testing.